everybody, welcome back. In this video, we are going to go over compare view. When you're in the culling process and you're looking at images, you at times might have images that are very similar. So we're going to look at numbers 3, 4, and 5. We'll click on, and there's 3, there's 4, and there's 5. And you can tell they're very similar, specifically 3 and 4 are really, really similar. And you might have a hard time deciphering which might be the best image that you want to flag or you want to star. So Lightroom gives us the compare view. The compare view is X and Y. So what we want to do, let's say we're on number 3. You can see I just highlighted that in the film strip, and I click on compare view. And right now, it is comparing number 3 and number 4, the adjacent image. We're able to zoom in if we want. And what I'm going to do right now, because I'm wanting more landscape, I'm going to press the Tab key. And I'm also going to press Shift and Tab for this video. So you're seeing it a little bit bigger. And I'm able to see number 3 and number 4. I can go ahead and zoom in, as you can see. And you might also want to scoot it over. And you can kind of see, hey, which image is the sharpest? Which image is going to work for me? Let's get out of that for a second. If I were to unlock it, notice what I'm going to be able to do. I can go ahead and zoom in. I'm pressing Command and plus, and I'm able to zoom in independently from the selected image. So on the left is the selected image, on the right is the candidate. I'm going to double click and get out of this. And I'm going to also relock this. I'm going to also press Shift and Tab to get back into the film strip. And I'm going to go click on the right. And now I'm in the 5th image. So you can see that we have our primary image selected. That is indicated if you look on the film strip with a tiny little white diamond. And as I move through the film strip, you'll also get a black diamond. So that, again, is the compare view. Thanks a lot for watching. And in the next video, we'll look at the survey view.